Stuff happens.
Yeah, it's like because I just
Yeah.
came back.
So,
before,
yeah,
had that little one, so you just had to push
Right,
it.
yeah, there's one on the floor down there.
Yeah.
So what you need to do with this one is you need to turn the key to unlock.
Okay.
You need to press any of these buttons. Today, I think we'll do that button. And then we press this button.
Oh, okay, that's probably why it didn't work.
And there they go.
Okay.
So yeah, it should cancel itself. So.
Okay. Makes sense.
Is there anything else?
No.
All right.
I just told us we just don't touch it. I was like, okay.
Yeah,
so
no.
when it goes off, you just hit lock?
When it stops sounding, you flip it over the lock.
Okay.
Sounds like they're working.
Yeah. Cool.
So, yep.
So they stop by themselves?
They do stop by themselves.
Okay.
If you want to double check, you can hit this cancel button or siren off, and you can just press send again.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.